Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to fix Bosch Dishwasher error 92. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Bosch Dishwasher here and getting that error 92, well, there's a few things that you could do here. So what does the error code actually mean? So this error happens when there's a problem with the outlet system, which is usually caused by a clogged drain filter, and also if the filter is blocked, water can't drain properly and your dishwasher won't work as expected. Now, how do you fix this? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to remove and clean the filter. So first you want to unscrew the coarse filter by turning it on this case counterclockwise and pulling it out. Now, you want to check for any food debris or foreign objects in the sump area and remove them. And next is you want to disable the filter system. Now, you want to pull down or remove the micro filter. Now, you want to press the locking catches together and pull upwards to remove the coarse filter. And next is you want to clean your filter. So rinse all filter parts through under running water to remove any buildup, and finally just reassemble the filter system. Now put everything back in place and screw the coarse filter clockwise until it's tight. Then from then on, you can go ahead and just run a test cycle and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.